Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch this video several times. Today, we're exploring a big question. Why does the United States spend so much money on the military? Let's begin with the numbers. The United States spends more on its military than any other country in the world, by far. In fact, it spends more than the next 10 countries combined. But why? There are several reasons. First, the U.S. sees itself as a global leader. It wants to maintain peace, support allies, and prevent threats before they reach its borders. Having a powerful military gives the U.S. influence all around the world. Second, the U.S. has military bases in over 70 countries. These bases allow the U.S. to respond quickly to international events and to support peacekeeping missions, humanitarian efforts, and alliances like NATO. Third, the U.S. invests in advanced technology. This includes aircraft carriers, fighter jets, submarines, satellites, and cyber defense. These systems are incredibly expensive, but are designed to ensure that the U.S. stays ahead of potential threats. Another reason is jobs. The defense industry provides millions of jobs in the U.S. building planes, ships, and weapons, creates employment in many states. For some communities, military spending is a key part of the local economy. And finally, politics plays a role. Many politicians support high military budgets because it shows strength and protects national security. Others argue that the money could be better spent on healthcare, education, or infrastructure. So, is all that spending necessary? That depends on your perspective. Supporters say it protects freedom, maintains global order, and prevents war. Critics say it leads to unnecessary conflicts and takes resources away from social needs. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's essential for mastering English and understanding American culture. Give this video a like and share it to help us grow and keep making better content for you. See you in the next adventure.